Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Calibro SF. So the only real difference between this one and the standard Calibro version, the SF has a matte sort of coating to the sort of outer skirt. SF is for the spearfishing, so it just gives it a different finish. It's got less glare, but realistically it's very much the same mask. So the Calibro itself is a low volume mask. It's made more for freedivers, but you can wear it while snorkeling or scuba diving as well. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. Because it's got a low internal volume, means you don't have to equalize it quite as much as you go down. You don't have to equalize that squeeze. Two tempered glass lenses, because they're that much close to your eyes, actually give you a wide field of vision. You've got a decent sized nose pocket on it as well, and these kind of sections either side of the nose, they're a little bit softer, sort of thinner material, so it's not going to distort the shape of the mask when you sort of equalize, so it's not going to break that seal over your top lip. It's kind of a framed mask because it does have a frame, but it's very, very small. And then attached onto the frame is a kind of silicone section which they've attached the mask buckle onto. So because it's silicone, it's very flexible, and it hinges as well, so it's going to sit very comfortably on the back of your head. Micro adjustment on this strap, so you can pull it and you've got lots of little adjustments. Lift up on that tab and you can sort of loosen it. A decent sized mask strap as well, that's going to wrap around the back of your head. You've got a tab at the top so you can just adjust it, which is quite handy. But on the inside is where the Calibro is very different from any other mask at the moment. So it has the standard sort of double seal skirt around sort of the entire mask. So this is creating that wide sealing area all the way around your face, keeping the air in and keeping the water out. But it also has this internal skirt that goes over the top of your nose. So that's quite a very unique thing. I don't know why anyone's not done anything like this before, but the lip of it is curled inwards as well. And that basically, as you can probably see, so next to it is a fog stopping device. So as you exhale through your nose to equalize a mask, then normally all that kind of humid air sort of comes out of your nose, it goes over the lenses and your mask just fogs up. So that's very inconvenient. What this does is that reduces it and it actually turns it back around so you can still equalize that squeeze, but that sort of humid gas never really gets to the lenses. And I've tried this on the brand new mask without any kind of preparation, and it does take a long time to actually physically try and fog it up. So it definitely works. And when you've actually prepared your the inside of your lenses and then defogged it before your dive, this is going to be virtually fog proof. So very, very clever. I definitely like it. And yeah, we've all been on dives where our masks have fogged up and you have to sort of flood your mask. It's a real pain. This is a real sort of game changer as far as mask technology. I can definitely recommend it. This is the Cressi Calibro SF Mask. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.